Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Vita Kurnia Arianti and I'm from Bina Sarana Informatika University, Communication Studies program. My student number is 44, 25, 10, and 98. So today I want to talk about my opinion about smoking in the campus area. A campus is a place of learning that should support the physical and mental development of students. Cigarette smoke not only harms active smokers but also passive smokers who are forced to inhale the smoke. Therefore, the smoking ban on campus aims to create a more comfortable and safe atmosphere for everyone. The smoking ban also has a positive impact on the campus image in the public eye. When Bina Sarana Informatika University is known as a campus that cares about health and the environment, this will attract more prospective students and make Bina Sarana Informatika a top choice for those who prioritize a healthy lifestyle. Furthermore, smoke-free campus environment can improve student concentration and productivity in learning. Thus, this policy only benefits individual health but also contributes to academic success and the institution's overall reputation. Let's support this effort for a better and healthier campus future. Cigarettes have become a significant public health issue worldwide, including in Indonesia. Cigarette use negatively impacts not only the health of active smokers but also passive smokers and the surrounding environment. Cigarettes have long been a public health issue, including on campus, which should be a place for learning and developing personal potential. The presence of smokers on campus not only impacts the health of smokers but also those around them and the overall quality of the campus environment. Not only does this impact the health of the smokers themselves, but smokers also often neglect the health of the non-smoking academic community on campus, which is truly detrimental to the academic community. In addition to impacting health, cigarette but also impact the environment. Cigarette butts scattered around campus create an unsightly sight and reflect a lack of concern for cleanliness. The cigarette's residue takes years to decompose and can damage the microecosystem surrounding the campus, such as parks and waterways. Smoking on campus has a significant negative impact on individual health, community, comfort, and environmental sustainability. Therefore, all parties must work together to create a clean, healthy, and smoke-free campus environment. This way, the campus can become a more conducive place for learning and development. Okay, that's my opinion about smoking in a campus area. And the next slide is I want to talk about the question word. What is the question word? Here, I will explain the material about the question words. What is the question words? So, the question words are words used to ask about something, such as reason, time, a place, object, people, and many others. Have you ever heard the term 5W plus 1H, which often appears in Indonesian? Well, in English, it's called WH questions or question words. And there aren't just 5 W's like in Indonesian. WH questions are questions in English that begin with the word WH. What's the function of a WH question? WH questions are used to ask for information, requiring the other person to provide a clear answer. In English, they are also known as open questions. In other words, you cannot answer a WH question simply with yes or no. So, what are the WH question? In English, there are 8W plus 1H. What are the 8W plus 1H? There are what, when, where, who, whom, which, whose, why, and how. Number 1. WH questions is what? What is used to ask about things, or it is used to ask about something or something related to someone. For example, what are you doing? What is your name? What should I do? What's your opinion about this movie? And the second one is when. When is used to ask when something happened. For example, when does the taxi arrive? When my dad fixed my motorcycle? When is your birthday? When will mom come home? And when did you arrive? The third is where. If you want to find out information about the location or place, purpose and position of someone or something, of course, the correct question word to use is where. For example, where do you live? Where's my handphone? Where did you buy the mascara? And where will we do the assignment? Next is who. Who is used to ask a person or subject. For example, who is your favorite Korean artist? Who is that girl? Who is your boyfriend? And who owned this necklace? Next is whom. In English, there are different question words for subject and object positions. While who is used to ask about the person who is the subject, whom is used to ask about the person who is the object or recipient of the subject's action. For example, whom was Raya talking to? Whom are you going to meet? Whom are you going with? And whom did you invite to your birthday party? Next, we have whose. Whose is a question word to ask about possession. For example, whose are these novels? Whose outfit are you wearing? Whose phone is ringing? Whose clothes are you wearing? We have which. How often are you confused about a choice? Whether it's a choice related to goals, colors, opinions, and so on. Well, you can use which to ask about choices because which is intended to ask about a choice. For example, which color do you like? Which clothes are suitable for my sister? And of all the dessert on the menu, which one do you like? And which one do you choose, lipstick or mascara? Next, we have why. This question word is used to ask for a reason or cause. In this case, the reason can be positive or negative to find out the background of something. For example, why are you crying? Why did you come late? Why are you so happy now? And why is your hand injured like this? Next, how. This is the last but not least. How is used when asking about manner or process, condition, and quality. This question word also applies to asking about price, duration, frequency, age, method, distance, or quantity or amount. For example, how many cats do you have? How was your exam? How far is Lampung from Jakarta? How often do you go to Edinburgh in a year? So, thank you. That's my explanation about the question words. I hope you guys enjoy this video and goodbye. Hello everyone, let me introduce myself. My name is Vita Kurniarianti and I'm from Bina Sarana Informatika University. Communications.